Hello, I'm Vidisha, and today we're going to look into our fixed asset management and tracking solution. Managing fixed assets can be a challenging task if you have a large number of assets with different types. And especially when you have multiple locations, you need to move your assets in different locations. It becomes even more difficult to keep track of each asset, ensure proper maintenance is performed, and evaluate the current status so that you can either upgrade or replace your assets right on time. Using our state-of-the-art blockchain-based asset manager, you can easily manage all your assets in all different locations, manage the maintenance, and also track using RFID, barcode, or QR codes. And to demonstrate this, we will first show the application itself, and then we will show how RFID can be used to tag your assets and track its movements. Let us first begin with asset management. Once you are signed in, the first thing you will see is a dashboard with data related to work order, asset transaction graphs, etc. For this demo purpose, we have already created products, asset groups, asset class, etc. that we are going to use. Now, to create a new asset, click here and provide all your asset details and assign it to a specific asset group, asset class, etc. Then hit Save button to add your asset in the product list, where you can view all your assets at once. You can also import your assets in bulk. Simply open up this Import Asset tab and upload a CSV file containing all the details of your assets. This way, you don't have to spend hours into adding your assets, and to update your existing assets at any point, just click here and update the details. You will also get a complete overview of all your assets from the asset list. Here, you can search for an asset based on its serial number, RFID, location, and other filters. You can also perform comparison from here to check previous and current history of the assets. The system automatically marks the changes on the result set so that you can easily identify it. Now, let's focus on how you can track your assets using RFID, barcode, or QR code. To demonstrate this, we are using this dummy asset with this RFID attached to it. Using our RFID scanner app, you can first scan the barcode or QR code serial number of the product and then scan this RFID. This will register the asset in our system, and from this point, each time your asset is moved, you simply have to scan the RFID using any handheld device or using RFID gates. Each time the RFID or barcode or QR code is scanned, a transaction log is created in our system. You can check this asset transaction timeline in here with details for every log. This log, as you can see, is maintained in blockchain hyperledger and can be viewed in horizontal, vertical, or list format as per your preference. This concludes how our fixed asset management and tracking platform works and how it can help you to keep track of all your fixed assets with the click of a button from anywhere in the world. The platform also helps you to manage your asset maintenance and testing, work orders, and asset audit using MNT app, and we have created a separate video to explain it in more detail. You can find a link to that video in the description. Thank you for your time and showing interest in DreamStack's fixed asset management and tracking solution.